Hi everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of everything Excel. Like every other day, today I want to showcase you a brand new tool that we've got, which allows you to be just a little bit more efficient today. So the app that I'm about to show is an app which allows the users to find a central location from a list of locations or addresses. Let me show you how it works. First of all, the purpose for this tool would be to find a central point to a list of addresses or locations that allows for minimal driving time among all of these locations or employees. In this case, we have about 10 employees that live in different parts of Miami, and I'm trying to find a location to build my office, and I want this office to be in such a place where the total travel time will be the shortest possible, so that we can have the least amount of travel from my employees. Again, as to do that, I enter the locations or the addresses of my employees. In this case, I have about 10 addresses. I can have as many as, a couple of thousands if needed. Again, I'm trying to find a central location to all of my employees. Again, kind of going back a little bit, as all of my tools are built in Excel, there is nothing to install. You will need a Google Maps API key. I've got a video on this, on how to get a Google Maps API key. It's free of charge to get. The tool will use the power of Excel and the algorithm that we've built together with Google Maps, the Google Maps API, to get us the result that we want. Again, kind of going back, we're trying to find a central location for all of these addresses. To use the tool is as easy as clicking on Calculate. And what the tool will do is it will find me a latitude and longitude, and also an address. As you can see, this address is a little bit odd in here because there's not a direct address, but what I can do is I can view that on the maps. Let me kind of bring this one in here. We are able to show all the different points, all the different employee points, and also the central location, which I can see where it is, kind of around little Havana Riverside, and this would be my central location, which will be central to all of my employees' addresses. And it's really as simple as that. Again, if there is anything that you need on this, please don't hesitate to contact me. My phone number and my email are on the description, and obviously to download the tool, make sure you click on the link on the description. And thank you so much for watching, and until next time.